Hi guys, I'm so happy to have you here. Thanks so much for being here. If this is your first time, I am Valerian. In this video, we are going to be making an oversized, very pretty as you can see, bag. It could be a laundry bag, a travel bag, a beach bag, whatever you want it to be. I have drawn a pattern and I have my fabric here that I am pressing out because I want to get out all the creases, right, before I start cutting. So this is my main fabric, and then this is going to be the lining fabric. And so I am just putting them on top of each other, and I'm gonna do a time lapse just so we speed it up. The lining fabric is 2 pieces, but this one is just 1 piece. Okay, so let's put our pattern on. I'm just gonna put a few pins in so that the pattern does not shift while I am cutting it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna cut. I am just cutting alongside the pattern that I have made. Now I'm gonna use my little square here. It's a 3" by 3" square, or 3 inches by 3 inches, and I am gonna cut out the corners. There we go. So I am gonna open up the decorative, the outside fabric, and then I'm gonna take the lining and I am gonna stitch off across the bottom section of the lining. Now we're gonna line the 2 fabrics up together, and we are putting right sides together. And just to make sure it's all lined up properly, I am gonna line them up, and then I am gonna put some pins in before I start stitching. And I will be stitching just about a 1/4 inch from the edge. I am done stitching around the perimeter, and let's get all the pins off. So, here. And I have left this section here open. So what I'm going to do right now is through this section, I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out. So now we're going to flip this over, and we are going to put it together in halves. I am going to pin them together so it does not shift. So I am gonna stitch from the bottom here to the top here, from the bottom here to the top, just about 6 inches before it gets to the corner here. Okay, so let's get stitching. We're gonna open the corners just like so, and we're gonna stitch across. And there we go, we have the corners. Now I'm gonna stuff this bag so you can actually see what it looks like. There we go, it has a butt. And now what we'll do is bring these two together and just tie them. Now if you wanted to, you could go ahead and stitch off the top so it will be in place, but I want to tie them together. So I am tying them together, and I can tie them high or I can tie them low. Right now I am tying them high, but what do you think, guys? Isn't this a cool laundry bag or a storage bag? Let's go shopping. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, let me hear about it. Give me some thumbs up and share with somebody. I can't do it without you. I DIY and show you, and you help me to share because you care. Thank you so much again for being here. I will see you in the next video.